I'm from Brazil. I'm a graphic designer. I've been building websites since the start of WordPress in 2013. I started Taxihaus, which is my current studio. I work with a mix of clients. I have big clients who wants like a more tailored service. And also I have small clients who haven't got the money to hire big agencies. For hosting providers, it has to do with stability, first of all, and you have to have some kind of a backup and a SSL, like those security certificates. I don't like hosting that do it separately. Also, if it has a good price, it helps a lot because the client will always see this part too. Very, very good. The setup, it was butter smooth. I started and I just put my information and I'm in. I mean, that's a great deal. From my experience with other hosting, they have like a lot of steps. This was great because I jumped from the setup to Elementor building page. It was great to have like this hosting with the builder that you're used to. That's a new way of doing things.